So if you have a workspace that is saved or someone else has shared you a workspace file, then you can easily go ahead and import it out into Corel Draw. So to do that, you need to go around onto the Tools menu and then go to Options and then go around onto Workspaces right here. So over here, once I open this in the options, you can see that import is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click on import right here, then what you can do is you can go around, let's say for example, in the drive right here, and then choose your workspace file right here. If I were to go ahead and choose this and click on open right here, then you can choose what you want to import and you can give a name for your workspace as well. So for example, I'm going to go around and say TutorTube sample workspace right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and click on import right here, just like this, then what happens is that the workspace will be imported. So you can see that it is importing, so it does take a bit of time for it. And once it's imported, you can see the workspace right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and press OK, so now you can go ahead and then access out the workspace right here, just like this. And that is how if you want to go ahead and import out. So this is a workspace that I have right here, and then this workspace is imported out. So let's say, for example, I got a default workspace right here, just like this. Then what I can do is I can go ahead over here onto workspace and then choose this particular workspace and apply that out whenever I want. And that is how you can go ahead and then import out workspaces as well inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.